What if Earth is actually a bad planet for life? Most of our world is hostile to survival. Frozen wastelands, burning deserts, violent oceans, and every few million years, extinction resets the game. But what if somewhere in the universe there exists a world so perfectly designed for life that Earth would look primitive by comparison? A world with no catastrophic seasons, no mass extinctions, no true night, a world trapped in eternal twilight. Scientists call the idea a superhabitable world, and today we are going to imagine the most perfect planet that physics could allow. Its name is Aion. And the first requirement for a perfect world is not the planet itself, it is the star. Our sun is a yellow dwarf, a G-type star, powerful, violent, unstable on cosmic timescales. In roughly 1 billion years, Earth may already become uninhabitable. Life here exists on borrowed time. But Aion orbits something far calmer, an orange dwarf star, a K-type sun, smaller, cooler, more stable. These stars can survive for tens of billions of years. Some may live longer than the current age of the universe itself, and that changes everything. Because evolution no longer has mere millions of years to experiment, it has eternity. Civilizations on Aion would rise beneath a star that barely changes, a sky untouched by violent solar storms, a world allowed to evolve slowly, peacefully, endlessly. And because this ancient sun emits a dim amber light, Aion never experiences the deep black nights of Earth. Its entire surface exists beneath a permanent dusk, an endless evening sky. As if time itself stopped at sunset, Aion is larger than Earth, about twice its mass. Its gravity is stronger too, around 1.2 times Earth's gravity. That extra pull allowed the planet to hold on to a much denser atmosphere. The air itself feels heavier, richer, thicker, and over billions of years, life adapted to it in unimaginable ways. Plants on Aion do not grow like Earth's forests. They float, suspended in the dense atmosphere like living clouds. To absorb the faint infrared light of their orange star, their leaves evolved deep purple and black pigments instead of green. These airborne forests drift endlessly across the sky, absorbing moisture and nutrients directly from the atmosphere. The heavens themselves became soil, and the creatures below evolved differently too. On Earth, evolution often rewards height and speed, but under Aion's heavier gravity, tall bodies become fragile, so life here grew low to the ground, wide, armored, multi-legged, creatures built not for elegance, but for endurance. Their skin resembles natural metallic armor, strong enough to withstand the immense atmospheric pressure of their world. Everything on Aion feels ancient, dense, heavy with time. Earth's oceans are terrifyingly deep. Most of them exist in eternal darkness, where sunlight never reaches. But Aion evolved differently. Its oceans remain shallow across much of the planet, rarely deeper than the reach of sunlight itself. Its fractured tectonic plates create enormous coastlines, wetlands, and shallow seas stretching across the world. There are no clear borders between land and water here, only an endless living frontier. Colossal mangrove-like ecosystems spread across the planet in every direction, where roots descend into glowing waters beneath an eternal twilight sky. And because sunlight on Aion is always dim, life created its own illumination. As darkness deepens into evening, the oceans begin to glow. The floating forests awaken with bioluminescent light, blue, green, gold. Entire ecosystems pulse softly in the dark, like living constellations. From orbit, Aion would not look like a planet. It would look like a firefly floating through space. And yet, this perfect world hides a terrifying question. If a civilization never struggles to survive, will it ever truly evolve? On Earth, intelligence emerged through pressure, fear, hunger, competition, extinction. Our suffering forced us to adapt, to question, to dream. But on Aion, where nature's gentle and stability lasts for billions of years, would anyone ever look toward the stars? Would philosophy exist? Would science? Would a species born in paradise ever feel the need to search for meaning? Or does consciousness itself require pain? Maybe suffering was never a flaw of intelligent life. Maybe it was the price of awakening, because a species that never struggles may never ask why it exists. And perhaps that is why Earth, despite all its chaos and cruelty, is alive in a way paradise never could be. Maybe somewhere in the cosmos, Aion is real. But for now, its greatest mystery exists much closer to home, inside us.